Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a really intense eye look and then lip color. Everything else I figured I'd do beforehand, or else it's going to just take way too long. So we're just going to focus on the face. We're just going to focus on the eyes and the lips, and I will list all the face products I use in the comments below. And for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona palette, as well as this eyeshadow I got in my Ipsy Tetris bag, and it is this like vibrant blue, and it really made me want to do a cool blue eye look. So I want this look to be primarily blue, but I do want to put something in the crease. So I think I'm going to take Morning as well as Morgan, and I'm just going to put that in the crease to act as a nice transition shade. And then I'm going to take a really small flat shader brush and I'm going to go into the blue shade. And the reason why I'm taking a really small brush is I want to be very precise with this, and I don't want it to get too crazy too fast. And now I'm really worried that there's going to be a lot of fallout on my face, so we're going to put some powder under our eyes to avoid messing up the face. My Cover FX loose powder, and apply a generous amount under my eyes. I think I'm going to take a little bit of carnelian, and I'm just going to gently put this in the crease. Oh, that's yellow. Oh, that is so yellow. Oh my gosh. Let's blend it out. Let's blend it out. Let's blend it out. So now to add something a little cool to this look, I'm going to take the Black Radiance Shadow Base, and this is like a purple. This is so dried out. Okay. Wait, let me just swatchy. It's okay. I can still use it. It was a lot more liquidy when I got it. So it's like a purple iridescent blue shade. Hopefully it shows up. Super dried out. I don't think this is going to work. Okay. Fortunately, this shadow dried up a lot and it's just not applying the way I want it to. Instead, taking that same brush you were using earlier, I'm just going to tap off a little bit of the excess on the back of my hand. I'm going to go into Aster, and I'm going to take some of that on my brush and then gently tap that over the center of my lid for a really cool purple shift in the center. So I think I want something a little different in the crease. I don't think the orange is really vibing with me. So I'm going to take a little bit of this purple right here. We are going to place this in the crease. I'm using a small brush to do this because I want it to be close to the blue but not taken too high. I think I definitely like that way more than the orange. I think the orange just looked a little, I don't know. I just wasn't into the orange. I like that so much more. I'm going to go back into Aster. I'm just going to take some on my finger. I think I can get a little more bang for my buck on my finger. So I want the purple to blend in a little bit with the blue, but I also want it to be noticeable. Okay, so at this point we're going to just brush off the bake. And I'm going to go back into that same purple on a pencil brush, and I'm just going to take this under the eye. Extra concealer, just to touch up on the outer corner and the inner corner. I'm going to highlight with Awakening, which is a like pinky shimmery shade. I think it'll tie into the blue and the purple a little bit. I'm going to go in with my Milani mascara. mascara honestly helps tie looks together so nicely. Take my Colourpop lip liner in 951 to line the lips. And then I'm going to take my lipstick in e.l.f. Blush and Brown. I actually want something a tad darker on the lips, so I'm actually going to take dark brown and just layer a little over top. And spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that completes our look. It's a really subtle look. You could wear it for an interview, you could wear it to church. No, but honestly, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and let me know what bold look you guys want me to do next time in the comments below. Until next time, bye!